Okay, so here we have a screwdriver. In case this thing breaks or this thing or this thing. And batteries. You see the double A's. They're already in. You put them in. Okay. And then here you have a switch. And then the bell, which we're going to try to make it ring. And the wires. Okay, now we're all set up. So first, we're going to take the batteries. Then, positive to negative, you slide them in. Positive to negative, remember. Slide them in. It's kind of far from me. There. Okay. Then you got a lightsaber of batteries. So then see, there, you got the batteries. Then, take a wire. It doesn't matter what color it is. You slide it on, just like that. And then, take the switch, and then you can do this. Slide it on. This is my first time, but okay. Slide it on. There. Okay. Then you take a red wire. It doesn't matter what color it is, like I already told you. Then you put it on like that. Then you take the red wire and you put it on here. Like that. See? Okay, as you can see, if it's too tight, well, I can see that one. Okay, then you take the red wire. You slide it on here. There. And then you can slide it on here. There. Then see how you have this, put it under. Like that. You cross them. Oops, this is wrong. I'm sorry. You have to go here. Take the black wire. Unscrew it a tiny bit. I mean, you can unscrew it all the way if you want. And then the screw inside. Screw it back on. Hard. And then screw it on there. See? Now you got this. Now you put this on. And see? There. Now you have it. One more thing. Get the screwdriver. And see, if this is too tight, see if it's too tight, like that. Watch. If nothing happens. It's too tight. And see, you want to be careful, because it can make a spark somehow, but
too tight, so.
Okay. It's supposed to make a spark.
I think it's too tight still.
Okay, well, yeah, and then if it's like that, you can unscrew it a little bit. And see? That makes sense. Okay, unscrew it. And see, it'll give you a surprise. Watch. Oh. It's got on like a little bit. Okay, this is right there. You got it ringing. And that's all that we're gonna do today. Hope you watch my next video. I don't even have a next video, really. Bye.